Yo, what's up, guys? What's going back to another video? Today we have another video, Road to Funded. Let's get right into it. Today was an L day today. I took a fat L today. You know, it's like these small little things can like make a big difference. You know what I'm saying? But enough said. Let's dive right into it. All right, man. Let's get right into it. So coming into market open, first thing we do, we mark out session open. Now, my levels were this John liquidity and probably this 4 hour low coming into NASDAQ. Now, we did want these 1 hour highs. I marked out these 1 hour highs, and I also marked out this low and these low. Right? As you can see, market opened and we took out all of these areas of liquidity. Boom, we took out all these areas of liquidity. We had like a little SMT too, by the way, but the S&P was, price action was horrendous, really bad. Looking at it, coming into market open, we see that price just comes back down, not really giving us an optimal entry. Now, let's dive right in where I entered, right? So we see come back down, okay, we get a liquidity sweep, then we get a little break of structure. Okay, we get a little break of structure. Now, I kind of saw this. I marked out this fair value gap, and I did not notice this teeny weeny tiny fair value gap. I know it's tiny. I messed up. I wasn't really paying attention. I missed this. This was an optimal entry. Now, where I entered was right over here. Come back down into this 1 minute fair value gap, reaction off that. Boom. Enter off that. Stops below this candle. We almost got stopped out, by the way. Now, my target was, I could have honestly taken profits here, though wanted to risk to reward, if I was being honest with you guys. But no, I wanted these hourly highs to get hit. I really wanted to get these get hit. Did I extend my take profit? Probably did. Market, as you can tell, came back up. Did not. My first TP was here. A little 104 risk reward. As you can see, we were coming up for these highs. Next, we get stopped out. Real unfortunate. Boom. Trade number one down the line. 10L. Now let me take you guys back to the next trade that I took. Honestly, this next trade was in the S&P. Now, a little strategy that I have found useful was, it's called a search and destroy. Typically, price would come back and revisit the optimal entry point and take out traders' stop losses or break even stop losses. Basically, price would come back down and rip back up. Now, I noticed that price is coming back down. Now, I noticed this could be a little search and destroy method, right? So we come back up, right? I took it, I don't know why, I took it on the S&P. So we get a break of structure, right? This is like the optimal entry point for the S&P. It wasn't optimal at all, as you can see. We enter off, we come back down into this fair value gap, enter off this, stops probably below this candle, as you can see. Boom, took another L, stops above here. I would have taken the profits there. As you can tell, price came back down, stops us out, fills in this fair value gap, and then comes back up higher. This was not a good trade entry. This was like the worst trade I could ever taken. Really sloppy execution. Other than that, the S&P, I have to pay attention. I've noticed that size does not really matter when it comes to fair value gaps. A fair value gap is a fair value gap. FEG is an FEG. It does not matter what size it is. Pause. It doesn't matter what size it is. It's there and it's there, and we got a bullish reaction off that. Boom, enter off that. That should have been the optimal trading entry. Boom, right here. Stops below. Would have been like this candle right here. Nah, it's like a really tight stop loss. I would have put my stops here. TP would have probably been these highs. Honestly. 1, 2, maybe these. As you can see, price came back down and rallied up. We have yet to take profit for these early highs. Most likely it may get hit, may not. But this was like a really bad day today. Really sloppy entry. You know, you just gotta really lock in with your stuff. You gotta have to pay attention, if that makes sense. You have to notice every single detail. Honestly, this could have been avoided by probably paying attention. What's really going on in front of you. Know when to exit the market. Have a proper stop loss. You could probably take profits in the middle of this, the 50% mark off of this fair value gap. Could have been right here. You know what I mean? Boom. This would have been the optimal trade entry. Boom. Stop loss here. A little 1 and 2 don't hurt nobody. And yeah, that was it for today. Oh my god. We will be back at it tomorrow, guys. Just hit legs today. I want you guys to do get off the charts. You know what I'm saying? Like so many people are so addicted to the charts. Less is kind of more, if that makes sense. Like you could be doing other stuff. You could be going to the gym, reading books, how to become a better person, not just a better person, how to think better as a trader. Like all your habits are habitual, if that makes sense. Like whatever you do outside of work, not outside of work, outside of trading, it's gonna translate towards the market. Like me, these past few days, I've been eating like crap. I haven't been going hard at the gym. I haven't been really, praying. I haven't really been locked in with myself, and it really affected me. It really reflected on me today's trading session. So, I have to fix that. Learn from your mistakes. Learn from it once, don't repeat it twice. Learn from it once, don't repeat it, move on. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next training session. Tomorrow's going to be a banger day. And yeah, let's get right into it for tomorrow. Peace.